friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of post failed to upload on threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of threads and you will enter here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we go to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and